All right, we have something cool here. Don't let these call buttons fool you. I'm gonna get a shot of that bell again, that's cool. Anyway, this is at MacNeal Hospital in Berwyn, Illinois. Original call down here, or up here, it's the original call button. Here are the relays. These are UCLs, they're DC. Oh, and the other one is sitting up here. Let's take this one down. This one takes a long time to level. 4,000 passengers, 3016. And I think these might be the original sensors, I don't know. I feel like whenever I do see sensors on the Otis elevators, they always look like that. Oh, and they do have the old hum though, I like that. But look, the indicator was replaced on this one for whatever reason. Anyway.